today. We are known as Falling Polynesia. We are going to take you to a beautiful journey through the Pacific Islands. We started in the beautiful island of Tahiti, and we're going to stay there and bring out our babies next. Can our Keiki come to the stage? Let's give a big round of applause for our Keiki class. This is just 4 of our babies. Not all of them could make them today. But if anybody was here last year, we only had 2 babies, and our studio has grown since then, especially with the babies, and we're so grateful to have them dancing with us today. They're going to be sharing with you their Otea Pahere. Are you ready, girls? Yee! Here we go. Let's give it up for our Aulele class. If anybody has any young babies out there, male and female, we have their class on both Tuesday and Thursday. We're going to bring out our little warriors now. Boys, can we come to the stage? Let's give these boys a round of applause. Big smile, boys. These awesome boys meet every Thursday at 5:30. There's a larger class, but not all of them can make them today. But these two superstars are brave enough to take over the whole show. Can we give them love, please? All right, here we go. Otea Hitoto. To the beautiful islands of Samoa. We're going to bring out our dancers to give you their sipa. The difference that you'll see in this dances versus the others is their costume. They have their full midriff covered. They will also not be moving much of their hips, and it's more of a movement of their hands and their feet. So taking you to the beautiful islands of Samoa with Angimaya. Besemai. Alright, coming up next to the stage is going to be our Whenua class. Go ahead, ladies. So these beautiful ladies are going to be split in two today. This first half of our class is going to share with you a beautiful love song. We are currently back in the island of Tahiti and we're going to share with you an ahuroa called Close Your Eyes. The two vocals you're going to hear onto this track is going to be Kaleli Lena Ala Kuma as well as her brother Ofoloto Kuma. Here we go. have this class. This class has a combination of both intermediate and beginner dancers. Some of these dancers are taking the stage for the very, very first time. So let's give these dancers a round of applause. They're going to take you to the beautiful islands of Hawaii and share with you their hula Ka'uluwehi o Kekai. From the audience. Can everyone in the audience give me one big aloha? On a count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Aloha! Beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and bring our boys up. These are our kane gonna share with you their hula, taught by their wonderful instructor over here, their last entering on the stage, Kole Etoni Kuma, hailing from the beautiful islands of Tonga and Fresno. Kole! All right, here we go, boys. Take it away.
Shall we dance in the moonlight? Shall we move guitar? What you feel is Japan on the Corona's hand. You'll be touched by anybody. How will the Monday? You'll be touched by anybody. How will the Monday? Una Maye, Una Maye, Una
All right, how are we doing out there, everybody? You all right in the heat? Thank you so much for sticking through with us. We're going to bring our Finua class out one more time. Let's give it up for these beautiful Vahine. Again, some of these dancers, this is only their second show ever. And their first was our recital, so we're so proud of them for entering the show live, costume changes, and all the above. Let's give these dancers a big round of applause with their Ote Al Finua. Finua! Give it up for these beautiful ladies on stage. Well done, ladies. All right. I want to give a special shout out to one of our dancers, Charisma. A year ago, she was in the audience watching us do our show, and this year she is on stage with us. So good job, Charisma. Lots of love to you. So proud of you. All right, if you're curious where the voice is coming from, I'm all the way over here. I want to share a little bit about Fale Polynesia. My name is Kanani, and our lead director of music and our school, Ofoloto, he's on stage as well. We share both classes, private, festival shows, and we also take our dancers to competition. This year is the official, a little bit over 1 year old of Fale Polynesia, and we're so grateful to have taken our group to group competition, solo competition, and that's what we're going to share with you next on this stage. So we're going to bring up two of our soloists, Angelita and Antonia. Oritaiti's competition is all freestyle, or at least most of the time. Today they're going to be given a random beat, and they are directed to show the rhythm through their movements, tell stories through their movements. But I just want to remind everybody, it's all freestyle, so this is all from their heart, their mind, and their soul. Let's give it up for our dancers. some shout outs to these two. The one in the blue, she's actually a flight attendant, so she manages to have her hub in New York and come to class in Fresno. The one in the white, she drives to class once or twice a week all the way from Stockton. So when you really love something, you put in all of that effort. Coming up to the stage next is our three teenagers. Can we give love to these babies? We're so proud of how far they've come. All three of these dancers have officially placed in the general category at competition, so they have made it to the advanced category in their age level. From here on out, they will be competing in the advanced category against dancers within their age bracket. So let's give them love for their courage and bravery and hard work. Teaches classes on a weekly basis. We start at the age of 5 and we go up to the age 100 and whatever, as long ever as you want to dance. I want to give a special shout out to our band. Can we get a round of applause for our live band? They are both on percussion and vocals and instruments, all the above. They are directed, Ofoloco, if you can raise your hand in the center. This is your music director and co-director of Fale Polynesia. It's not easy to be able to sit up there and run our show through all of the music, just as hard as it is for our dancers to, handle costume changes, line changes, remembering multiple dances. And like I said, Fale Polynesia is quite new. We're only a little bit over a year old, and our beginner dancers have more than one dance. Our children have more than one dance. That takes a lot of time and commitment, so we're so grateful for our dancers. We are near the end of our show. How was it so far? Not too bad. I hope you guys had a good time. I hope the heat is not heating you up too much. We are going to be back here very close to after we end this current show. But let's bring our Hine class back up for their closing aparima. Don't go anywhere. We'll see you soon. All right, here we go. Eva Hine, Imwa. as Fali Polynesia, a Polynesian cultural arts school, dance and music. We are located on Gettysburg and First in the Fresno Ag parking lot right in the corner next to the liquor store. If you would like any information about who we are, you can find one of us in costume, anybody on the stage. Let's give it up for our dancers, our musicians.